The most important stage is to map everything out before you begin. Create a master task list or work plan that can be used to track tasks and verify that no steps are missed. In your work plan, list all actions that should be taken, timelines, and stakeholders. Define an infrastructure checklist to make sure you follow the definition stage. In your checklist, include all server names, configurations, storage, memory, critical file system path, and software requirements. After installing the servers, validate the installation and configurations according to this checklist. Then, create a list of restrictions that you need to address during the upgrade. For example, database password restrictions, security restrictions, and client restrictions. Make sure to address each of these in your list and provide a detailed solution. Next, define a project upgrade scheduling plan. Whether you have decided to do a gradual upgrade or a mass upgrade, you must define a project upgrade scheduling plan. In this plan, you define the project's priority for a specific time frame. While doing so, consider the following technical and project-related issues: the risk of the project upgrade, backup, restore, and upgrade time, the project activities, such as releases, the project's functional urgency, and user dependencies on several projects. Then define project contacts. For each of the projects, define 1 or 2 contact people to work with about timing and communication during the upgrade process. It is the contact's responsibility to notify the users of the project maintenance before, during, and after the upgrade. To enable an easy and efficient upgrade process, we recommend including in your project upgrade scheduling plan the project's domain, name, database schema, repository location, whether the project is active and in use, planned maintenance time, upgrade timelines, contacts, special configurations, and required customization changes. The next step is to prepare a rollback procedure. Define a list of possible problems that might occur during the upgrade procedure. To be prepared for these problems, create mitigation plans that lower the associated risks, and for each potential problem, create a solution plan. If necessary, create a rollback procedure that enables you to work with the existing environment. Then define post-upgrade sanity tests. According to the testing results, define which key areas are affected by the upgrade process. Define these as high-risk areas that need to be included in sanity tests once the upgrade is completed for each of the projects. Any basic functionality that was used on a frequent basis should also be included as a sanity test for each of the projects. Review a predefined post-upgrade checklist after the upgrade. Make sure to verify connection to the project, then alert the project contact about the completion of the project upgrade, and instruct him or her to perform the sanity test defined earlier. In parallel, validate backward compatibility with Quality Center integrations, and check the user group permissions that may be set by default for new features, and modify them if necessary. When you have finished, ask the users to check that they can log into their Quality Center projects using their accounts and perform their routine operations. Ask the users to report feedback on errors they face, new features, and functionalities in the new Quality Center version. To avoid calls regarding day-to-day usage in Quality Center, and to facilitate a smooth adoption process, you may want to create a release note document that includes the major improvements to functionality, limitations, new feature overviews, and a tips and tricks section. And finally, define a post-upgrade support plan. After the actual upgrade process, a support period is required for the clients in case of problems and for any necessary clarifications. Define support contacts and publish their names for the site's users. This presentation explained how to follow the 3 steps in the upgrade preparation and planning phase, and provided some tools that you can use to achieve a clearer and more efficient upgrade process. For more information about the Upgrade Best Practices, refer to the Quality Center Upgrade Best Practices Guide.